Hello guys, this is Mousumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I have come up with a makeup challenge. I know I do the makeup challenges in my YT shorts mostly, but this is the second time I guess I will be doing the makeup challenge in a long video. Yeah, and the challenge is quite easy, which is full face makeup using beauty blender. So let's jump into the video and have all the fun with me. So first I will start with the primer, and just for the knowledge, I would never recommend to apply primer using a beauty blender because beauty blender absorbs the excess product and we do not use a lot of primer that it needs to be absorbed. And also for better absorption, primer needs to be pressed into the skin using the warmth of your finger. So I always prefer my finger for the primer application. But as I'm doing a makeup challenge today, that is why please bear with me. Next, for foundation application, using a beauty blender is not a challenge. I would say it's rather the easiest technique, especially for the beginners. Just make sure that your beauty blender is neither wet nor dry. You need a damp contouring. I won't lie, I have never used beauty blender. For cream contouring, yes, but not for powder contouring. So I don't know whether I will be able to pull off the blending skill nicely today or not. because I don't think it's possible in any way. Yeah, right guys, I don't think it's possible, but took the challenge. Now what to do? I have to do that. Took a small sponge for that and holding my heart tightly doing this challenge. And yeah, this is called a makeup challenge. This is rightly called a makeup challenge. It was seriously very challenging to do, and oh my god, I did it, and I did it so nicely guys. Seriously, it was very difficult to do, trust me. Try it for once and you will know what I am saying, why it is difficult to do, but I did it. And please show some extra love for that attempt, please. And in the middle of that challenge, I would like to share something very interesting today with you guys, because Mamaearth has recently launched their lip serum, which is more like a lipstick, but no, these are the lip serums. #better liquid lipstick. They come in 8 different shades, but I have 7 shades only. They are smudge proof, transfer proof, flake proof, comfortable to wear, and it provides 12 hours long stay and 8 hours hydration. It has key ingredients like vitamin C, which brightens and reduces pigmentation of the lips, and vitamin E, which deeply hydrates the lips. So now let's see the swatches one by one. By the way, these lip serums are not regular lipstick, as I said earlier. They provide rich matte color with lots of nourishments for your lips. These lip serums are free from any toxin, harmful chemicals, silicones, parabens and mineral oil. They are made safe certified, so better for daily use. You guys can also use my coupon code, which is Mousumi20, to get 20% off, which is applicable on the official website and app only. And also Mamaearth products are available on Purple, Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, First Cry and Mamaearth's official website. So let me know in the comment section guys, which shade was your favorite one. Now get back to the makeup challenge and let's do the eye makeup with the beauty blender. I have already done this challenge in one of my shorts, so I hope you guys have already seen me doing this, but still I was little nervous at first. Whatever, I didn't do any experiment on the eyes. I kept it as simple as possible. First blended a brown eyeshadow in the crease area and then applied a shimmery eyeshadow on the eyelids, and for the waterline used a kajal, which was not possible to do with a blender, but yeah, blended the lower eyelid using the blender, and that's it for the eye makeup today. For the lips today, I have applied this caramel shade from Mamaearth. It has super hydrating formula, and also it doesn't dry your lips, and one swipe and that's it for the lips. So yeah, so that is the final look, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have had fun watching this makeup challenge. If you do, please do not forget to like and share this video. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.